Hi, good morning. I was recently reading an article where the Economist editor Kenneth Cookier mentions that AI will challenge and eventually replace fashion designers. I'm not too sure I entirely agree with the statement, but I'm definitely convinced that designers who embrace and adopt AI are likely to see a lot more success, will be a lot more speedier, and will be a lot more cost effective as compared to designers who choose not to embrace AI. That is because AI can actually help them analyze huge volumes of data related to customer choices, patterns, colors, cuts, fabrics, and then overlay it on global trends to give them a curated set of choices on which the fashion designer can leverage her experience and gut and build further. AI is already seeing a lot of adoption in the fashion industry. I want to talk of three use cases. The first use case is what I call as virtual product design. Currently, if you look at it, fashion designers sketch the type of design they want, they send it to factories, get the samples, it goes through a couple of iterations and can take weeks before a design is finalized. In the virtual product design, the same fashion designer could enter details of what they are trying to develop and it can create a 3D rendition and the fashion designer could sew, unsew, change colors, patterns, styles on the computer and then decide what is the best choice that she would like to pursue further. This could bring down the sample design time or the fashion design time from weeks to maybe days or possibly even hours, and could bring down the cost of design by close to around 30%. The second area where I see fashion designers using AI is on platforms like Donnelley and Midjourney. These are platforms where a fashion designer could enter information in text, like for example, they could enter the sensibilities of customers for whom they are designing this product, the occasion for whom they are designing this product, if they are got any inspiration from any artist or global designer, and the AI engine on Midjourney or Donnelley 2 would create multiple designs out of this and make it available for the designer to choose a few from, and then they can build further on that. The third one which I saw and found it very interesting is what is called as Project Muze. This is a project where Zalando has collaborated with Google Zoo and created this Project Muze, which is a platform where they have around 50,000 data sets entered by around 600 fashionistas. And what tends to happen today is if an end customer were to talk about a particular situation, context or occasion for which she or he is looking for a fashion design, it would throw out a few recommendations. Now retailers can actually leverage it a lot because one, it can be a great way of engaging with their customers beyond just trying to sell them products. The other is their most valuable customers could actually give them indications of the type of products they like and they could then take that information to then curate the type of range they want in their retail stores or on their e-commerce sites. Zalando actually, out of the various designs that were created by end customers, picked 3 of them and launched them as Z labels in their business. I hope you found this interesting. If you are interested in knowing more, please do Google virtual product design for fashion. Visit Donnelley 2 and Midjourney. Try out a few things, you'll find it very interesting. And you could read up on Zalando's Project Muze. Hope you found this interesting. Thank you.